Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Starting with a quote here: there's no need to be perfect to inspire others. Let people get inspired by how you deal with your imperfections. So today's vlog is all about it. It was my daughter's birthday, so baked a cake at home. I'm not good at decorating cakes yet. Still gave a try this time by making cake toppings using this Dot's hand mixer. Thought of sharing the same with you all too. Starting by unboxing this Dot's hand mixer and giving a review on it. Along with the main body and its knob, it has two sets of beaters. First one wire beaters, 2 pieces, and another 2 pieces of dove hooks. This is the warranty card for 2 years. This is the user manual in 2 languages, Arabic and English. The manual has some recipes too. Coming on to the knobs over the body, it has got ejector, speed selector and the turbo button for that extra speed. The body is of lightweight and the handle is easy to grasp. I'm going to use 4 sachets of Dreamwhip powder to make the whipped cream. Had kept this bowl in freezer for around 30 minutes. For each sachet we will use half a cup of milk, so here I will be using 2 cups of milk. I will be adding it gradually. Initially started at low speed, then whipped it for around 4 to 5 minutes at higher speed. In between kept adding the milk. Now started adding the powdered sugar. Here I took around 3 to 4 tablespoons. Added few drops of vanilla essence. If you want a chocolate cream, you can add the cocoa powder while beating it. At last, for the stiffness, added 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Make sure you are not over whipping the cream or else it will be curdled. Stop the beater and check whether the cream is stiff. If it is not free flowing, then it's ready. Refrigerate the cake and the cream before using them. Then started applying cream into the inner layer. I should have cut the cake before applying the creams to get a smooth finish on the outer side. Then I decorated the cake with grated chocolate in the middle and chopped chocolate at the edges, and then using a Kit Kat made the letter of my daughter's name and kept some other chocolates for decoration. So this was not made with perfection but still with lots of love. Good thing is that it tasted well and kids loved it.